How to sign into your SoundCloud account. First thing first, open up any web browser you have on your PC or your phone, and then on the URL bar, simply search for Soundboard. Simply search for SoundCloud, and then hit enter. Now open up the first link that you see here. And on your SoundCloud, you're going to have to accept certain cookies, and at the top right, you'll find sign in option. Click on it. If you've already entered your email address previously, you can just enter your email address, or if you have connected your Facebook, Google, or Apple ID, you could choose those as well. Let me just go ahead and continue with my Google account. And then from here, it will send you an authentication code on your Gmail. So let me quickly open up my Gmail application here. And SoundCloud will have sent me an email, which I'm going to have to open it up in a while right here. And once you get the authentication code, you should be able to sign in very easily. But if you have your email address, you can just go ahead and enter your email address right here, and then simply hit continue. Now you're gonna just have to enter the password that you've entered, but if you've forgotten your password, you can click right here to recover it. That's it for this video, guys. That's how you sign into your SoundCloud account. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.